What's up, everybody? So I want to show you our new Levyr dashboard. So inside of here, you can change these up, make it look how you want to. You can add different widgets and stuff. So if you wanted to customize your dashboard with different appointments, different like cancellations, you can now do all of that. You can do numeric, you can do donuts, lines, bar graphs, horizontal bar graphs. So you're able to customize this however you want to. You can delete these and move them all around. And then inside of here, so we have the launch pad. So inside of here, you can configure your web chat, and we've also added in AI with that. We also have the mobile app, which will connect you with our mobile app on the Google Play Store or the iPhone store. And then you can connect your Google My Business, your Stripe account. You could also get a Yext account if you wanted to. If you wanted to move your WordPress over, and then also add one or more team members as well. And then inside of conversations, this is where all of your conversations are. So you can literally see all of your Facebook messages, all of your phone calls, all of your text messages, all of your emails. We also have WhatsApp now as well. So all of those messages are combined inside of here. You can also do manual actions. So if you wanted to dial for dollars, you can add those in here and then hit start and then manually call all of those. Trigger links. So essentially, if you have someone that clicks a link, then you can set an action based off of them clicking a link. Inside of here, we have all the calendar features. You can go through, check out all the different calendars, and we can now overlay them. You can manually book appointment in here based on whatever your calendar is. You can also add in contacts with that, set a meeting location, and you can also set the date and time. And then inside of here, you have all of your contacts in here. You can filter these. You can also change them in the pipeline. You can add them to workflow, send a text message, send an email, add a tag, remove tags, delete contacts, send review requests. So if you have a ton of people that you need to get Google reviews from, you can literally click this button, select all the people you want to send it to, and then send that review to them. Inside of here, it'll show all the bulk actions that you've done. You can restore stuff if you've deleted it. You can create tasks for your team members. So if you wanted to create a task and assign it to a team member, and then you can also assign it to a contact as well and set a due date. Inside of here, you can add in companies. So if you need to put, 3 or 4 contacts with one company, you can now combine all of that data. And, you say you have the VP, the senior VP, the CEO, whatever, you can list them under companies. Inside of here is the pipelines. So you can literally drag and drop them based on wherever. And also by dragging and dropping them, you can then trigger automation systems based on whatever stage in the pipeline you drag them to. And you can have multiple pipelines in there as well. And you can filter by whatever filters that you want to. Inside of here, you can create whatever the pipelines are. So you can create a name inside of there, put that in there, put the stages, and then you can have it show up in your dashboard or not. Payments. So inside of here, you can have invoices. You can create a regular invoice or a recurring invoice. You can also create proposals, estimates, templates as well. So inside of the templates, you can save those and reuse them over and over and over again. And then your orders, you can see the previous orders that are in here. You can see the subscriptions if you're doing a subscription-based model, transactions, products inside of here. You can also have coupons, so you can do whatever type of coupon you want. If you want to have a discount, you can enable automatic receipts, so as soon as someone purchases something, you can automatically send them a receipt. You can also do taxes as well. And then you can also integrate with Stripe, authorize.net, and we integrate through NMI as well, and PayPal if you wanted to take PayPal as well. Inside of marketing, you can automatically promote all of your social media in one place, and you can also create a bunch of templates. So let's just say that you wanted to schedule out your whole month with content. You can come in here and do that, and then just schedule out your whole entire month on every posting platform. So you can come in here, create a new post, select whatever social channels you want it to go to. You can add in accounts. You can add groups of accounts. You can say if you want it to be a post, a story, or a reel. You type in the content, which they're disconnected right now. I need to reconnect them. But you would just type whatever the content you want to be. If it's a picture, a video, just like a regular post, put hashtags in there, tags, and then you can hit post. You can save for later, or you can schedule it. And then you can also create email templates. So in here, if you wanted to build like a full-on email template, say that you have a newsletter that goes out once a month, we have different templates that you can come in here and you can build. This is like an old school HTML, but the new templates are just drag and drop. So you can just go to all of our templates that you have in here and then just pick from whatever template that you want. And you can just pick it by different categories. So we have all the different categories over here as well. Then we have the affiliate manager. So let's just say that you you have referral based business and you want people to refer your company business, or you have an online product that you sell. You can come in here and you can create a affiliate campaign based on whatever product that you're selling. And you can manage your affiliates here. You can manage the payments. You can manage media and the settings inside of here as well. So in here we have the content AI and then the workflows. So content AI is attached to ChatGPT, and you're able to create stuff for your central planner, for your blog, for your funnel, for your website, your email, and your media library. Now it does cost a little bit if you go over a certain amount to use that feature. The workflows, campaigns and triggers have been sunset, and we've moved them all over to workflows. So essentially what a workflow is an automation. So we have different recipes in here that are created already. But if you wanted to create a custom one, you just hit start from scratch. You can title it whatever you want to, and then you can set different settings based on whatever time zone you're on. If you want it to only go Monday through Friday through certain times, you can set your name, set your email. And if you wanted to mark it as read, you can also stop on response. So if someone responds to the campaign, then they will no longer get the rest of the campaign. These are just how you can see who's all been through it. Then you can hit publish and save. So what happens is you need to have some type of trigger. So you can have like a birthday reminder if you have people's birthdays saved in here. Contact, tag, contact, do not disturb, notes, all these good things, forms. If someone calls you, if a trigger link's clicked, a form, a survey, TikTok form submitted, video tracking. Like there's a ton of different things that we can do in here as far as that goes. So let's just say someone pays an invoice. You can say the invoice is paid. Then you can pick, whatever tag it has if you wanted to put a tag on it, or you can just say invoices are paid in general, and then you can hit the plus sign. So once an invoice is paid, then you can add a contact tag, or let's just say that you wanted to send them a text, so you can just put send SMS. Thanks for paying for invoice. Like you could say whatever you wanted to say, right? And you can come in here, and then you can also change change them to another stage or set them into another campaign. There's a ton of different things that you can do with it. You can send proposals. Let's just say that you wanted to send a proposal. You can automate that. And then we have the IVR system as well. So the IVR, it's in beta right now, but it will allow you to say press 1 to connect with this person, press 2 to connect with this person, press 3 to do this. So that's coming here soon. And then we'll also have AI that will do outbound calls for you as well within the next 3 to 4 months. So that is workflows. I mean, as you can see, you can literally build anything that you want to in here. We do have a lot of pre-built recipes as well. And then from there, we also have sites. So we have just regular funnels. We have websites, like full-on websites that you can build in here. We have blog pages. You can also manage your WordPress inside of here as well, and your client portal or dashboard. So let's just say that you wanted one place for your clients to log in and be able to see their paperwork and stuff. We now have that as well. You can build your forms, you can build your surveys. We also have a chat widget. So now you can install your chat widget on the website, and it will auto respond because we have AI built in. So you just put it on there, and then it'll have a full conversation with your clients that are coming to your website. So that's pretty awesome. And you can change up the different acknowledgement messages and the style, and the live chat as well. So inside of here, we have courses. So if you're a course creator, you can add your products in here and your offers, your analytics to track everyone going through your courses. Communities. Basically, this is a place where all your affiliates can go through your courses. It's just one big hub, very similar to the client portal. And eventually we'll be kind of combining these in 2 different ways. Certificates. So if you wanted to certify, like have a certification program, you can now create your own certificate in here and allow people to go through your program. And then once they complete your program, you can now issue them a certificate showing that they have completed your program. Reputation management. Inside of here, you can invite people to give you reviews. So inside of here, you can see all the 5-star reviews. You can send a review request to whoever the contact is. You just come in here and select them. Input their phone number and their email. You can send it via text or email, and then they'll get a little survey to review your business. And then here's what the widgets look like. Obviously, you can change these up based on whatever, like whatever your website looks like, right? So we have different templates for you to do. You can create your own. You can have it as like a list view, a grid view, like this masonry style, or the old school way, which is just right away. And you can show how many reviews that you want showed. So you can just like change it to 3, and then it'll update it, or max number of 8 or whatever. And then as you can see, you can thumb through those, and then you can also turn the powered by Levyr off if you don't want that showing down there as well. So that is that. Here is the reporting. So we do reporting on Google ads, Facebook ads, attribution. So what attribution is it literally comes from like from start to finish. So if they go on to the like web page, it will track them from start, from when they first click that web page, all the way until they purchase, even if they come back um, to the website. Call reporting. So, depending on how many calls you're making, you can check them by the different callers. You can see whose number was calling, what the number was. It's also recorded here, and then you can download that recording if you wanted to. You can see if it's like the first time that they've called, the second time that they've called, all that good stuff. Agent reporting. So inside of here, we have a leaderboard. You can see how many conversions have been made, what the opportunities were, how long they were called, when they were called, who actually called them, what the percentage of conversion rate was. These stats are super old because I haven't used this particular account in a while. Oops. So these are different add-ons down here. So I'm just not going to go into that. But inside of here is your profile details. So you can come in here, you can set your voicemail, you can set where your business is, all your business information. You can validate your phone numbers in here. We do have to have an opt-out message just because that's the way that the carriers have to have it. This right here is probably the number one thing that you should enable for your business, because if you miss a call, this will automatically text them back. So if this is enabled, someone calls you, you're in the middle of something, doing something, this right here will send you or send them a text on your behalf saying, hey, sorry, I'm in the middle of the meeting. I'll give you a call as soon as I'm done with this meeting. But go ahead and give me a little bit of information of what you need help with. This right here will make you more money than anything, because even when you are busy, you're still able to capture those leads. So it's the same thing with the AI on the chat widget. That will then allow you to capture those leads that's being missed. Inside of here, this is just like your own profile, so you can sync it with your iCloud calendar, your Outlook calendar, your Google calendar, all that good stuff. You can BCC people, check for conflicts based on the different calendars, and you can set your schedule and your password and all that good stuff. Inside of here is your billing, so you can add your payment method, so you can send texts and stuff. Inside of here, you can manage your team members, so you can come in here and add in different team members. You can set their permissions, so based on whatever they need. So like if you don't want them to see the content AI, the blogging, all this good stuff, payment refunds, you can turn all this off. You can also set them as an admin or a user, add in their own voicemail as well. And you can also forward calls to our mobile app and choose whatever whatever phone number that you want to use for them. You can set their calendar settings. So let's just say you have a team of multiple sales reps. You can then set all of this up for them and just make sure that the calendar is configured for them as well. So that's that. And here is where you create your pipelines. So it's like I was showing you earlier. You just create them in here. Phone numbers. So this is where you purchase your phone numbers. And you also have to register for the phone numbers now. So you have to come in here and register your brand and then register your campaign. And then you can register your brands, the Shake and Stir, and the C name. So I'll have a whole nother training on all of this. So, and then you can also pick the SMS inside of here. WhatsApp, so you can turn that on if you wanted to. Reviews, so this is the AI. So if you turn this on, it will actually now respond with AI to your reviews. So if someone writes a positive review, it'll respond to it. If someone writes a negative review, it'll respond to it. And it's very intuitive. So you can click some type of response. So let's just say if it's a 5-star, you can wait however long you want to, minutes or hours. And then you can put the, whatever the review is that you want to say. So you can have auto responses, suggestive responses, or turn it off. Okay. And then here's the link if you wanted to send that link out for people to review your business. Custom fields, so you can create different custom fields for your business, like custom fields and custom values. So essentially, these can be used interchangeably. So you just put whatever the key is, and then you can put a value to that. So essentially, wherever you put this, like in any funnel and any text message and wherever, I can enter whatever value I want this to say. So if I wanted it to say thank you and then save it, it would say thank you wherever all of this stuff is. So scoring, this is pretty cool. This is a new feature we just dropped. So you can essentially incentivize people to open emails, or if they confirm an appointment. So it's a way to gamify um, leads and see like which leads are like the hottest leads that are coming in. Essentially, you can connect your domains. This is where all your media is housed. You can also redirect your URLs. We have a bunch of different integrations with Stripe, Slack, Shopify, TikTok, all these good things. Your Google account, your LinkedIn account, all that good stuff. Tags, email services, conversation providers. So these are just the configuration with the back end through here. So you can pick your SMTP provider. We use Mailgun as a back end. And then same thing with here, we use Twilio as a back end as well. Tags, this is where you can create all your tags inside of here. The labs. So what the labs is anytime that we drop a new feature, you can come inside here and turn those on. So if there's something off, you just come in here, turn it on, and it will be live for your account before we fully release them to all of the users. The audit logs inside of here, it allows you to see, if something's been deleted, who deleted it, when it was created, who created it, all that good stuff. You can also go to companies and you can associate different companies with different contacts. So that is the full gamut of everything that we can do inside of here. And that is just a very, very brief overview of everything. There's still a lot more that the system can do. Like you can do warm transfers with calls. You can dial from in here. You can also dial from your cell phone. You can reroute the calls from your number to someone else. Do call forwarding. All of that good stuff inside of our system. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out and I am happy to help you.